Direct.
We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is proudly brought to you by Fezile Security Services. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Mfowethu igama uthini ngomdlalo?
Yeah, Mshuzi from Valley. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm supporting from Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
Yeah, I give the credit from Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
I play the good football today, and then I expected the win.
Yeah.
Today the Sundowns.
Yes.
But today we are very disappointed. We are very disappointed. Kaizer Chiefs, they give us a big time. We lovely give that a nice game.
Yes.
And that to go to the Pretoria.
Yeah.
We will see next season second round to Pretoria.
Yeah.
Makosi mina dinani awufela semnandi singamasendana draw say accepta. So Kaizer Chiefs that is a team.
Yes.
It's not just a name, it's a team.
It's a team.
Yeah.
A big team.
No, it's a team.
Yes.
I said that it's a big team, it's a team.
Even bigger.
No, it's big by the support.
Yes.
We understand.
Yes.
Yeah, Chiefs is big by the support. But
Yes.
I know Chiefs today. I'm very proud just because you play 1-1.
Yes.
As a Sundowns, we are expecting the win, not the draw.
But it was hard.
Yeah, it was hard for the coach. Yeah, Mabuye, you take Mabuye Chiefs.
Yes.
What the mistake he did? You take Mabuye out, but him taking the wrong time.
Was he not injured?
No, he was not injured. Mabuye was out there killing Sundowns.
Yes.
We understand.
Yes.
So next time, Chiefs, you must stick to Mabuye.
Yes.
You must stick to Mabuye.
Oh, thank you, my brother. We talk football SA.
Thank you.